and she's airborne. Wow, that was fantastic. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Especially when the gear's up, she looks an absolutely beautiful airplane. And in the pilot's world, we say that if an aircraft looks right, she'll fly right. And XB-1 certainly looks right.
3, 2, 1, mark.
So that's the mark for Geppetto to select the undercarriage down. Here she comes.
I just want to mention we have two LSOs who have supported us on this mission. Zach Pleiss, call sign Sprite, again a former naval aviator. So what we'll be listening for is Paddle's contact in a very nice, calm, friendly voice.